Alright, so ever since I've had this Tahoe, I've had this idling issue, usually when the AC is on. So, I'll turn the AC on, and she's been just falling on her face. Now, the check engine light's also been on for the evap large leak, and then the fuel tank pressure sensor on top. Now, I just pulled the top of this 4.8 off, and I can hear air. I feel this pulsating, so the purge valve, when I mess with this, it changes the pitch. So it has something to do with the evap. So basically what's happening, and this is, a lot of people don't realize this, when you change out your, which this had already been changed out, the electronic throttle body. Long story short, it's the evap creating a vacuum leak. So this is going to be fun this weekend.